Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize Google Forms. Want your Google Form to look unique, professional and engaging? Here's how you can customize colors, fonts, logos and layouts to match your brand or event. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Google Forms and click on the theme customization. Now before we do that, you have to go to workspace.google.com/product/form and then log in using your Google account's credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Google accounts dashboard. From here, you can either choose to create a blank form or choose an already existing form. For this example, I'm going to choose an already existing form. Now here, the second step is to click on the color palette icon, which says the customize theme here, to customize the form. The second step is to change the form's color scheme. You can choose a primary color that matches your brand or event. Google Form usually provides preset colors. You can pick a custom color via the hex code. Clicking on this one right here, and you can toggle custom color. Third step is to add a headers image. You can add an image here by clicking on it, and click choose image under the header section and upload your company logo or event banner or a themed image. Google will automatically adjust colors based on the image. The fourth step is to change the font style. Now Google Form lets you pick your 4 font styles. There are basic, which is the default one, decorative, which is the stylish look, and formal, which is the professional look. And you have also the playful, which is the casual look. Now for the fifth step is to use sections and page breaks for better layout. Now if your form is long, divide it into sections for clean look. And you can do that by clicking on the add section right here, which is the icon with the 2 rectangles, and click on it, and just like that you added a section to break the form into multiple pages. Now for example, you can choose page 1 for personal infos, page 2 for appointment details, and page 3 for confirmation. Now for the second step is to customize the buttons and confirmation messages. And to do that, just click on settings and then go to presentation, and here click edit the confirmation message. For example, thank you for your appointment has been scheduled. As for the seventh step is to add a background image, which you have to use an add-on for this. Now by default, Google Forms doesn't allow background images, so use Google Chrome extensions like Forma Facade to fully customize layouts and backgrounds. As for the eighth step, embed the form on your website. And you can do that by clicking on the 3 dots next to your profile icon and click on embed, then click on copy, and you're gonna copy the iframe code. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now your Google form is now fully customized and look professional. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.